What's up, guys? Hi, 20 here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. It's been a while. Yes, it was. It has been a while. I just been busy with work, getting life together and everything. So I haven't had a chance to pick up the phone, but I have a really big reason to pick up the phone now. This is an amazing Christmas present from my girlfriend. As you can see, this is my first ever and original grill, expert grill from Walmart. I think I did an unboxing video on it. It's a little baby grill. It went through its paces. When you put in the work, it may be a little rusty and a little ugly. I don't know what's in here. Ugh. But it did do its job, I promise you that. But I wanted to upgrade for a minute to something bigger. But I'm a old-fashioned smoker, with the charcoal and the logs, the wood chunks and all that. That's how I am. That's how I like it. But my girl, she wanted to upgrade me. And she went out with a bang. Yeah. My first ever wood pellet grill and smoker. PitBoss. I haven't looked into these because I never thought I would ever own a pellet grill. But I think this is one of the highest models. I'm not sure. Like I said, I haven't done my research into it. She got this for me. I appreciate you for that. I love you for that. But I got things to do today, so I'm so busy. I'm not gonna have time to set this thing up any other day. So I want to set this up as fast as possible. I don't know how many pieces in here, how long it's gonna take. I don't know anything. So I'm just gonna take you on this journey, trying to build this thing as fast as possible, and maybe when she gets here, she'll help me out. Let's get to it. All right, I cut the scraps and I took the box cover off, and it just went completely on me. This is gonna be a project. I'm just gonna put everything in here. This is just gonna be the peeled part. I'm gonna make another part of this video with seasoning it, but the first start burning off all the stuff and oils and chemical that was on here when it was came from the manufacturer, and then I'm gonna season the grates with some oil and everything, and yeah. Wow. This fell. And I don't want to bend no metal. Come on. I'm gonna move everything to the side. I don't even know what this is. Wow. So I need to move this out the way, because I'm gonna give this to my uncle. So he likes to cook and grill and barbecue, so I'm giving this to him. So and this is electric, boogie woogie woogie. As you can see here, got the dial and everything. This is nice. This is very nice. You got the cord right here. I have an extension cord, so that's not a problem. Yeah, I'm gonna put it here. Whenever I smoke, I'll just get the extension cord and plug it up. Let's get a little sneak peek. Oh, gee. Ooh, look at that brisket, y'all. Oh, wow. Got some more boxes in here. Gonna put everything to the side. Oh man, I don't want to scratch it. Boy, they got this thing in here. Oh man, I don't want to scratch it. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna come back whenever I take all these boxes out. Alright, I got everything out the box. There's the chamber for the pellets, and all the pellets trickle down through the corkscrew and goes through, and this is what heats it up and gets it hot, cause it to smoke, create the heat and everything. What I heard is you gotta check and make sure when you prime it, whatever, you gotta make sure it's working, it's spinning, it's not getting jammed, everything. You don't want no problems with this brand new smoker. But yeah, these are the pieces. Whoo-wee! I don't know which box has the instructions. Is this the instructions? I assume so, yeah. I don't know what box has the tools, but I do have some tools. Also, I also got, for something as beautiful as this, I ain't messing this up. So I also got the cover that's recommended, Pro Series 150, and there's 1, 2, and 3. I don't know. Well, this is a DX, but I don't know what's the difference. I have no clue. I can check the box, then see, but it says a DX, so I don't really know what the difference is. But yeah, I love this thing. Screwdriver bit kit or set. I love this thing. I use this thing all the time. Definitely recommend it. I use it when I have to do stuff with my car, building stuff. I use this every single time. If it has the tool I need, this is what I'm gonna use. Oh Lord, I'm losing daylight here. Gotta go as fast as I can. So when you read the instructions, see what I need to do first. Obviously, I assume the legs, but it's gonna go right here where my original grill smoker went. This is my grill. That's my smoker. And let's get to it. I'm just gonna do everything in sections. So I'm gonna start building and keep you updated on what I built, and zone out, just zone out pretty much. All right, let's see how far I'll get. Ooh boy, man, I was fighting with this thing. One, my ground is soft, and these are the big wheels and the smaller wheels. So what rain erosion is probably gonna sink. So that's something to look out for me. And these legs, I think it was this one. This bolt was a pain in the buttocks to align. It was horrible. Oh my gosh. It took me so long to just get that one bolt back there. Other than that, everything's together, I'm gonna finish up the reading instructions. I know I have to do the handle next, and then the floating shelf, and then all the other stuff on the side. And I found out this is the drain for the oil, for the grease, so that's pretty neat. So, but yeah, this is. Oh, here's the corkscrew right here I was talking about. Look at all this. Man, this is neat. Alright, time is still ticking, so I will come back whenever I get some more of the pieces on. So it'll look like that. Alright, y'all, so I'm almost done. Right now, I just got done part 12. Well, pretty much I am done. I got 13, 14, and 15 left. But I literally just put this shield on in this so you can move it. The rubber for the flame. I got the heat stack, the handle. There's a film on here, I guess, to keep it from rusting. But this is how it looks. I'm gonna take all this paper stuff off. This is not a display. And this is the little drip pan for the grease. Ooh, Jesus, for the grease. The drip pan right here. What I'm gonna do left? What I have left is to put the grates on there. I don't know about the top one. I might just do it just for the video. And that's gonna conclude the video. So let me hurry up and put the grates on and then show you how everything looks together. And with the cover, I'm gonna clean up the yard. And yeah, and this is the wiring. This is the probes for the smoker for your temperature. There's 2 of them right there, and I'm gonna cut it on so I can connect my Bluetooth so it's ready when I first use it. Alright, so this is the conclusion of the video. I had turned it on to connect it to the Wi-Fi, so whenever I do use it, everything's already connected. This is how it looks. Job well done. The fan will run for a couple minutes and it'll cut off on its own. But this is beautiful. Thank you, baby. And all I'm gonna do is just put this cover on, and that'll be it. Oh, I need to look at this. Nothing was in the instructions for this, but I'll look at that. And then the drip pan and all that. So I'm gonna show y'all a view with the cover on, and that's it. Alright, this is how it looks with the cover on. And that's it. I have a big burn pal. And that's it. And the drawstring. And that will conclude this video. Thank you all for watching this unboxing video. And I will see y'all in the update video of seasoning this bad boy. And I will see y'all in the next one. Tire 120 out. Peace.